Hi everyone, welcome to Learny Day. The topic for today is what is science? Well, for kids or students studying in school, yes, of course, science is a subject. Like they study English, which is a language. They study maths, which is a subject involving numbers and shapes, etc. What is actually science? If I ask you, just think over it. How will you explain science क्या होता है? If you're studying science or if you love science, what is science exactly? First of all, I would like to tell you that science comes from a Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. So science is related to obtaining knowledge. Well, science is everywhere around us and it's one of the most important topics of study in our world. The people who study science, they are called scientists. Scientists basically obtain knowledge of everything around them through a scientific process. They are very curious people. Scientists are very curious and they just observe what is happening around them and they ask questions like why this is happening, how this is happening, ऐसा कब होता है, ऐसा क्यों होता है, and then they try to find out answers to all these sorts of questions. Now, if I talk about the definition of science, कि हम science को define कैसे करेंगे? So the definition is, science is a means of improving our knowledge about universe, anything and everything in the universe, based on observation, experimentation, and evidence. Now I will explain you what does this definition means. Science is a way to improve our knowledge about the universe. Anything that is happening in the universe, or we can say everything that is happening, उसके ऊपर जब हम knowledge obtain करते हैं, that is science, but the knowledge should be based on some evidence. Evidence means, for example, if I say some basic observations like the grass is green, the sky is blue, and then the scientist would work on that topic कि ऐसा क्यों है, why is grass green, they want to give some explanation, or why the sky is blue, they give some explanation कि इस वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है. But why should we believe them? Why should anyone believe it? So for that we need an evidence, we need a proof कि उन्होंने जो explanation दी है, scientist ने जो explanation दी है, उसका ये proof है. और proof कहाँ से आएगा? Proof comes from experimentation. So science relies on experiments and those experiments will give evidence to a particular explanation of a phenomenon. And this is what is called as the scientific method or the scientific practice. Well, science follows a particular method of execution. As I already explained, the first is observation. हमने कोई भी चीज या scientist ने कोई भी चीज observe करी कि ऐसा हो रहा है. Next, they'll give an explanation as to why this is happening, ये कैसे हो रहा है, कब होता है, क्यों होता है. But to back up this explanation, they'll do some experiments और उन experiments के basis पे they'll give an evidence. Evidence means वो एक proof देंगे to back up their explanation as a proof of their explanation that yes, this explanation is right. Well, many things around us, they appear to be science, but actually they are not. For example, predicting someone's future through a magic ball cannot be considered as science. Why? Because whatever they are claiming, there is no evidence to support this. For example, I'll tell you that there are two common fields which people get confused in between. One is astronomy and one is astrology. Astronomy is the scientific study of space, whereas in astrology, they are predicting the future or predicting human behavior through the movement of stars, etc. But astrology cannot be considered as science. Why? Because whatever it's said in astrology, there is no evidence to support this. I hope you had fun watching today's video and you got a broad idea of what is actually science and what is the method and what is the scientific process. Science is everywhere around us. Do keep on exploring and learning. Do like the video and subscribe to Learny Day.